afternoon to everyone student. Here we are going to see chapter number 12, exponents and power. In the previous video we had already completed chapter number 11, mensuration. So here we are going to start chapter number 12 from class 8 maths and CRT. So dear student, what is the name of the chapter? Chapter 12 is exponents and power. So before starting the exercise we are going to deal with the loss of exponent which is going to be used in the chapter. So first loss of exponent is a to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m into m plus n. Second loss of exponent is a to the power n divided a to the power n is equals to a to the power m minus n. Third one is a to the power m into m. Okay, when the powers are different, base will be the common, and suppose for example of this I will explain you. If some question is there 2 and its power is 3 and whole to the power 4, then what will happen according to the loss of third exponent? It will be the powers will be get multiplied. So the answer will be 2 to the power 12. Like this. Okay. Similarly, for example of this 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 4. So the powers will get added. Okay. So here it will become 4, 5, 6, 7. In the same way, if the base are same, okay, and the powers are different and it is in the form of divide, so the powers will get subtracted. So here the power will be the power. If suppose the power is in the greater form, sometimes this power will be greater, at that time you have to just transpose it. Okay. Now moving toward the next loss of exponent, we are having a to the power m into b to the power m whole to the power whole is equals to a into b टू दी पावर m. मतलब जब दोनों का बेस डिफरेंट रहेगा और पावर अलग रहेगा तो उनके पावर जो है कॉमन आ जाएगा, बेस आपका मल्टीप्लाई होगा वहाँ पर. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जांपल 2 into 2 to the power 3 into 6 to the power 3. Here you can see that base are different but the powers are common. So 2 into 6 whole to the power 3 will be there. So 2 into 6 will be 12. 12 to the power 3. Like this you have to solve. Moving toward the next one, we are having a to the power 0 is equals to 1. This is the value. Okay, a to the power m b upon b to the power m is equals to a upon b whole to the power m. A to the power minus 1 is equals to 1 upon a. So these are the laws of exponent which you have to use in the questions while doing the exercise. This laws of exponent you people are studying from the class 6th. Okay. So the same thing we are going to study here also. So moving toward the exercise 12.1. First question, it is said that evaluate what is given in the question number exercise 12.1. First question, it is said that you have to evaluate 3 to the power minus 2. As 3 to the power minus 2, that means loss of exponent a to the power minus 1 is equals to 1 upon a. So 3 to the power minus 2. So it will be can be written as 1 upon 3 to the power 2. So 1 upon 3 into 3, so it will become 1 upon 9, which is the required answer. Clear? Evaluate मतलब find out करना. Moving toward the second part of the question, we are having minus 4 whole to the power minus 2 we are having. Okay. So using the same laws of exponent, it will become 1 upon minus 4 whole to the power 2. So here 1 upon minus 4 into minus 4. So minus 4 into minus 4 will become plus, isn't it? Minus and minus will become 4. Plus 4 into 4 will become 16. So the answer will be 1 upon 16. Then the third part of this question is 1 upon 2 whole to the power minus 5 we are having, isn't it? So the solution for this 1 upon 1 by 2 whole to the power 5, isn't it? So it will become, that's 2 will become 1 upon 1 by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many 2 will be there? 5 2 will be there. So here it will become 4 into 2. So 8 and into 2 into 4. So it will be 32. So here the answer will be 4 together 32 because this 32 will goes with the numerator 1 and get multiplied over there. So 1 into 32 will become 32 itself. Clear everyone? So moving toward the second question, we are having simplify and express the result in the power notation with the positive exponent. So dear student, here what you have to do is you have to use the laws of exponent, simplify it, and you have to the power, whatever the power you will get, that power you have to bring that power in the form of a positive exponents. Okay, now see the solution how to do it. So now look the solution, question number 2. Here in this question it is said to simplify, isn't it? So minus 4 whole to the power 5 divided minus 4 whole to the power 8. We are having this. So you can see here the base is same, isn't it? So the power will be get subtracted, isn't it? Since here we are having 5 minus 8 will be how much it will become? It will become minus 3, isn't it? As it is said that to express the power, exponent's power in the form of a positive exponent. So we are going to use a to the power minus 1 is equals to 1 upon a loss of exponent over here. Okay, so it will become whole to the power 3. So here we can see here 1 upon minus 4 whole to the power. In this, the exponent minus 3 we had converted into the positive form, isn't it? जो minus 3 था exponent में, उसको हमने ये वाला loss of exponent use करके उसको positive form में convert कर दिया. So इस क्वेश्चन में यही बोला गया है कि आपको सिंप्लीफाई करना है और जो भी रिजल्ट आएगा उस रिजल्ट को आपको उस एक्सपोनेंट को, उसकी पावर्स को आपको पॉजिटिव में रिप्रेजेंट करना है. ठीक है. So here the second part of the question number 2 we are having 1 upon 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 2 we are having, isn't it? So you can see over here the power is there. So this power will be going to be multiplied with the power 1 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा और 2 के साथ 3 है, 2 का पावर 3 है ना, और ये वाला पावर इसके साथ भी मल्टीप्लाई होगा. So जब 1 into 1 होगा तो 1 ही आएगा और यहाँ पर आपको लॉस ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट में ये याद है a to the power m whole to the power m is equals to a to the power m into n. So using this loss of exponent here 2 into 3 into 2 will become 1 upon 2 to the power 6, which is a positive exponents, isn't it? Now moving toward the third part of the question. Here in the third part of the question it is given that minus 3 to the power 4 into 5 upon 3 whole to the power 4 we are having. So dear student, you can see here minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 we are having over here, or we can solve like this also. Suppose we are having minus 3 to the power 4 we are having, so minus 3 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 4, isn't it? Separating the powers in the numerator and the denominators. So you can see that power is in the form of a positive number, so here it will become a positive. This negative sign will be going to be converted into positive. So here the minus 3 and from the numerator and the denominator will get cancelled. बचेगा क्या वहाँ पर? अगर आप सोचोगे कि -4 minus 1 to the power 4 बच रहा है क्योंकि वहाँ पर माइनस है, तो इस तरह से as you know that -1 into -1 into -1 into -1 will become +1. So plus 1 into 5 to the power 4. Altogether the answer will be 5 to the power 4. You will get the required answer. Clear everyone? Then the next fourth part of the question we are having. In the fourth part of the question, 3 to the power -7 divided 3 to the power -10 whole into 3 to the power -5 here. So using the loss of exponent 3 to the power -7 minus -10. This is the loss of exponent a divided a to the power n divided a to the power n is equals to a to the power m minus n. Isn't it? So we are going to use this loss of exponent. Open the bracket 3 to the power -7 minus plus into 3 to the power -5. So here it will become plus 3 into 3 to the power -5. Now the base is same, isn't it? So using the loss of exponent a to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. So here 3 to the power 3 plus -5, isn't it? So open the bracket, you will get the answer. 3 minus 5 will become 3 to the power -2. Using again loss of exponent a to the power -1 is equals to 1 upon a. So it will become here 1 upon 3 to the power plus 2. So 3 into 3 will become 9. So as it is said to express the result in the positive form, so we can stop the answer over here. That is 1 upon 3 to the power 2. Okay. So in the same way, you can do the fifth part also. Moving toward the next question, we are having find the values. So look how to do the next question. We are having the next question as find the value. moving toward the question number 3. In question number 3, it said that find the value that is 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power 2 we are having. As you know that using the loss of exponent, a to the power 0 is equals to 1. So here we can see that 3 to the power 0 will become 1 by using the loss of exponent. Then a to the power minus 1 exponent is 1 upon a. So here we can use the loss of exponent 1 upon 4 into 2 to the power 2 we are having. So 2 into 2 will become 4 over here. As it is said that find the value, so we have to simplify, isn't it? So here transposing, here it will become 4 into 1, it will become 4 plus 1 upon 4 into 4, isn't it? So here it will become 5 upon 4 into 4. So 4 from the numerator denominator will get cancelled. Here you will get the answer as how much? That is answer as 5. Clear to everyone? Now moving toward the next question, we are having the second part of the question number 3. 2 to the power minus 1 plus into 4 to the power minus 1 divided 2 to the power minus 2. This we are having. So using the loss of exponent, a to the power minus 1 is equals to 1 upon a. Okay, using this loss of exponent, we are going to simplify this. 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 4 divided 1 upon 2 to the power 2 we are having. Clear? So here as it is in the form of multiplication, so 1 into 4 will become 8 divided, changing it into the multiplication. आपको मालूम है ना, ये हम जब डिवाइड को इंटू में चेंज करते हैं तो वो रेसिप्रोकेट हो जाता है. सो हियर 2 into 2 फिर 4. व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू चेंज द डिवाइड इनटू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन, द न्यूमरेटर विल बिकम डिनोमिनेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर विल बिकम द न्यूमरेटर. लेसन नंबर 2 में पढ़े थे हमने. तो यहाँ पर ये कैंसिल हो गया. सो आंसर आपका क्या आया? 1 upon 2, which is the required answer. Clear? Moving toward the next third part of the question. Here in this 1 upon 2 minus 2 plus 1 upon 3 whole to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon 4 whole to the power minus 2. This is a question we are having over here. So here as it is a minus, using the loss of exponent, a to the power minus 1 is equals to 1 upon a. We are having 2 to the power 2. क्योंकि loss of exponent में 1 upon 2 तो न्यूमरेटर में चला जाएगा. So वो डायरेक्ट हम 2 to the power 2 हो जाएगा प्लस 3 to the power 2 हो जाएगा प्लस 4 to the power 2 होगी. So 2 into 2 4 plus 3 into 3 9, 4 into 4 16. Okay, so 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20 plus 9 will be 29. So what is the answer? Required answer you will get, that is answer you will get as 29. Clear? Similarly, question number 3, fourth part we are having. In the fourth part, a to the power minus 1 plus 4 to the power minus 1 plus 5 to the power minus 1 whole to the power 0. So dear student, using the loss of exponent, a to the power minus 1 is equals to 1 upon a. As we are having here 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 5 whole to the power 0 we are having over here, isn't it? So you can see that using the, अब आप बोलोगे कि यहाँ पर अनलाइक टर्म है तो अनलाइक टर्म है तो उसके एलसीएम लेके फिर सॉल्व करेंगे. सो उसको एलसीएम लेकर के सॉल्व करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. क्यों ज़रूरत नहीं है? क्योंकि हमको मालूम है कोई भी नंबर हो उसका अगर पावर 0, उसका पावर 0 होता है तो वो डायरेक्ट आंसर 1 होता है. तो हम उसको डायरेक्ट 1 लिख सकते हैं बिना उसको सॉल्व किए. ठीक है? अगर सॉल्व करने के बाद भी अगर आप उसको आप लॉस ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट ए टू द पावर 0 इज इक्वल्स टू 1 वाला लॉस ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट यूज़ करते हैं सॉल्व करने के बाद भी, तो भी वो राइट है. और अगर आप यहाँ पर स्टॉप करके ये डायरेक्ट उसको यूज़ करते हो तो वो करेक्ट है. क्लियर? मूविंग टूवर्ड द नेक्स्ट, दैट इज द फिफ्थ पार्ट. minus 2 upon 3 whole to the power minus 2. This we are having whole to the power 2. So dear student, we can multiply the power over here. Powers multiply कर सकते हैं तो power ये हो जाएगा -4. अब इसको हम क्या करते हैं 3 upon -2 whole to the power -4. a to the power m into n is equals to a to the power m into n वाला यूज हुआ है और a to the power -1 is equals to 1 for a. दोनों लॉस ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट यूज किए हैं तो आंसर -3 upon -4 आया. ठीक है? यहाँ पर हमने कन्वर्ट किया तो वो पॉजिटिव है. अब 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 upon -2 into -2 into -2 into -2. ठीक है? तो माइनस माइनस प्लस हो गया, यहाँ पर भी प्लस हो गया. 3 into 3 9, 3 into 3 9, 9 into 9 81, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 4 2 into 2 4, 4 into 16 will be the required answer. Clear? Up to here understood everyone? Now the next question we are having, in the next question it is said that evaluate. Okay, in question number 4 it is asked to evaluate. What we have to evaluate? Just look after. So what you have to evaluate in this question number 4? First part, a to the power minus 1 into 5 to the power 3 upon 2 to the power minus 1. This you have to solve. So evaluate, that means a to the power minus 1 वाला फॉर्मूला लॉस ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट यूज कर सकते हैं. ये 1 a to the power minus 1 जो है वो 1/8 हो जाएगा इंटू 5 to the power 3 अपॉन ये वाला जो नंबर है 1/2 to the power 4, क्योंकि ये लॉस ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट हमने यूज किया है. ठीक है, यहाँ पर ये हो गया आपका 5 to the power 3 अपॉन 8 और ये ऊपर चला गया तो 2 to the power 4 अपॉन 1. जो 2 to the power 4 है वो यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई होगा, न्यूमरेटर में 1, डिनोमिनेटर में 1 आ जाएगा. सो यहाँ पर देखो 5 इंटू 5 इंटू 5 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2. हमने जो पावर था उसको एक्सपैंड कर दिया. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पर ये कैंसिल हो गया, कितने बार कैंसिल हो गया? 4 टाइम, फिर ये 2 टाइम, फिर ये 1 टाइम. ऐसे करके डिनोमिनेटर में 1 इंटू 1 1 बचेगा. 5 इंटू 5 25, 25 इंटू 5 10, 11, 12, 125. So here 125 into 2 upon 1. So here it will become 0. Then 2, 4, 5 and 2. So the required answer will be, we are getting the required answer as 250 here. Clear everyone? Have you understood? Similarly, we are going to do the next part we are having for this. The next part for question number 4, the next part we are having. Look the next part. In the next second part of question number 4 we are having 5 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power minus 1 into 6 to the power minus 1. So using the loss of exponent, this loss of exponent we are using 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 6. So here it will become 1 into 1 1. 5 into 2 will be 10. Then again it will become how much? 1 into 1 1. 10 into 6 will be 60. So the answer will be 1/60. Clear? Next question we are having, find the value of m for which m to the power 5 to the power m divided 5 to the power minus 3 is equals to 5 to the power 5 we are having. So look the question. Which question we are having? Fifth question, isn't it? In the fifth question, look out. What is the solution? So question number 5, we are having 5 to the power m divided 5 to the power minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 5. This is the question we are having. So dear student, as you can see that a to the power m divided a to the power n, we are having the formula a to the power m minus n we are having, isn't it? So using the same identity over here, 5 to the power m divided 5 to the power minus 3, so minus and minus 3 is equals to 5 to the power 5. This minus comes from the formula and bracket minus comes from the number itself. So here it will become 5 to the power. When you are going to open the bracket, जब आप bracket open करोगे तो 5 minus and minus will become plus. Now look at over here. 5 to the power m plus 3 है is equals to 5 to the power m 5. Now on equating power क्या करेंगे नेक्स्ट पार्ट में, इसकी जो पावर्स है उसको इक्वेट करोगे. ठीक है, सो पावर को इक्वेट करने पर इसका स्टेटमेंट का मतलब ये हुआ कि सिर्फ हम पावर को लेकर के चलेंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि उनका बेस सेम है, इसलिए सिर्फ पावर को लेकर के चलोगे. सो हियर इट विल बिकम m is equals to 5 minus 3. when you are transpose, the plus 3 will become minus 3. So m is equals to 5 minus 3 will become 2. So what is the answer here? You will total all together, you will get the answer. The answer you will get as m value is 2. So which is the required answer for question number 5. Clear? Moving toward the question number 6. In this question, first part we are having 1 upon 3 whole to the power minus 1 minus 1 upon 4 minus to the power minus 1 whole 1. This we are having. So first part we are going to use the loss of exponent a to the power minus 1 upon is equals to 1 upon a. So here it will become 3. to the power 1 minus 4 to the power 1. 4 to the power minus 1. Okay, so 3 minus 4, 4 to the power minus 1. How much it will become? Minus 1, 4 to the power minus. So it will become 1 upon minus 1. So that will be altogether minus 1 will be the required answer you will get in this part. Okay. Now the second part is so simple one. Just expand it. Second part of this question is 5 to the power 5 upon 8 4 to the power minus 7 into 8 upon 5 4 to the power minus 4. Isn't it? So using the laws of exponent, a to the power minus 1 is equals to 1 upon a. So it will become 8 upon 5 to the power 7 into 5 upon 8 to the power, here it will become 4. Isn't it? Now 8 और यहाँ पर हो गया. अब 8 into 8 into 8 into 8, how many times 8 will be? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, as power is 7, that's why. So 5 into 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Again 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 upon 8 into 8 into 8. How many times we have expanded? As the power is 7, so expanding the numerator denominator 7 times. As the power is 4, expanding the numerator denominator how many times? 4 times. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 will get cancelled. Here 8 into 8 will be 72. 72 into 8 will be how much? It will be 512 upon 125 is the answer. Clear? So here when you are going to multiply that, you will get the answer as 512 upon 125. Clear to everyone? Moving toward the next question number 7. In the question number 7, it's a very simple question. Here in this question it is said that simplify. So question number 7, we have to do a simplification. The same question is present in the class 7 also. Okay. So here 25 into t to the power minus 4 upon 5 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power 10 into t to the power minus 8. Okay. And here the condition is given, t value is not equals to 0. t value is not equals to 0 मतलब t का जो भी वैल्यू होगा वो 0 के इक्वल नहीं होगा. मतलब 1 2 3 4 या -1 -2 जो भी है वो आंसर आएगा कोई भी इंटीजर हो. तो इसको सॉल्व करके देखते हैं. 5 25 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 5 to the power 5 लिख सकते हैं. t to the power minus 4 अपॉन 5 to the power minus 3 into इसको लिख सकते हैं 2 into 5. 2 into 5 10 होता है. t to the power minus 8. ठीक है. अब ये जो नंबर है यहाँ पर ये नंबर को हम एक्सपेंड कर सकते हैं क्या? 5 डिवाइड में लेंगे तो 5 to the power 5 minus minus 3 into t to the power minus 4 minus minus 8. Loss using the loss of exponent, a to the power m divided a to the power n is equals to a to the power m minus n. Loss of exponent यूज किए, बचा नीचे क्या? 2 into 5 बचा है. तो यहाँ पर ब्रैकेट ओपन करोगे तो 5 to the power प्लस हो जाएगा. 5 plus 3 will be 8 into t to the power minus 4 plus 8 upon 2 into 5. So here it again it will become 1 5 from the numerator denominator will get cancelled. 5 to the power 7 into t to the power 4 plus 8 minus 4 will get cancelled upon 2. Okay. So here now as 5 how many times are there? 5 7 times. So 5 into 5 into 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 t to the power 4 upon 2. So here multiplying that number 512 t to the power 4 upon 2 is the required answer. 512 sorry 625 625. So 625 t to the power 4 upon 2 is the required answer. When expanding मतलब जब उसको मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 625 है. ठीक है. समझ आया यहाँ तक? मूविंग टुवर्ड द लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. In the last part of the question, here it is question number 7. The second part, 3 to the power minus 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 125 upon 5 to the power minus 7 into 6 to the power minus 7. So dear students, 6 to the power minus 5 into 10 can be written as 2 into 5 whole to the power minus भी लिख सकते हैं, 5 टू द पावर 7 ऑलरेडी है, इसको हम 2 into 3 whole to the power 5 लिख सकते हैं। ठीक है, समझ आया? तो 3 to the power 5 into 2 to the power minus 5 into 5 to the power minus 5 into 5 to the power 3 upon 5 to the power minus 7 into 2 to the power minus 5 into 3 to the power minus 5। जो पावर्स था उसको हमने सेपरेट कर दिया। अब इसको जब आप सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, है ना, सिंप्लीफाई मतलब पावर लॉस ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट का पावर आप लगाएंगे तो आपको आंसर 5 to the power 5। ठीक है, समझ आया? सो हियर वी हैड कंप्लीटेड एक्सरसाइज 12.1 as well as the loss of exponent is completed. In the next video we are going to see the exercise 12.2. Okay, so if you are having any doubt, you can ask me through the WhatsApp.